Look at the incredible beauty of the tree behind me. This is one that's not used in the landscape hardly at all, but it's one that I think really should be. This is a bitternut hickory related to our shagbark hickory and other hickories and pecans and walnuts. Straight as an arrow, beautiful form, fabulous fall color, interesting bark, and really tough. This tree has had essentially no tender loving care ever since we put it in the ground. Does this gold fall color every single year. It does get nuts, but as you would expect from the name, they are bitter. You are not going to want to eat them. But again, if we stop choosing trees that are way overused and we go to some of these that have all of these contributions to the landscape, we get greater diversity, we have more interest, we have more fun wandering around. You'll notice that we've kept the lower branches on this tree, and there are some reasons for that that have to do with the health of the tree. It helps them put on more caliper, it has more leaf surface. We'll take them off when they approach an inch in diameter, but in the meantime, everything about those lower branches, other than you have to be careful when you're mowing, helps make this tree as beautiful as it is.